Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a parent, grandparent, or just someone looking to secure a brighter financial future for a little one, today's video is for you. We're diving into custodial accounts, what they are, why they're important, and how you can set one up to help kids build wealth for their future. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is a custodial account? A custodial account is a type of financial account that an adult, like a parent or guardian, opens on behalf of a minor, usually for saving or investing. The key is that the adult custodian manages the account until the child reaches a certain age, typically 18 or 21, depending on your state. Now, why should we consider using custodial accounts for kids? Here are some great reasons why custodial accounts can be a smart financial tool for children. Teach financial responsibility. It's a perfect way to teach kids about money, saving, and investing. They'll see firsthand how money grows over time. Building wealth early. The earlier you start saving or investing, the more your child can benefit from compound interest, meaning their money can grow a lot faster. Flexibility. Custodial accounts can hold cash, stocks, bonds, or other assets. The funds can be used for anything the child needs, like education or even their first car when they come of age. No contribution limits. Unlike some other savings accounts, there are no contribution limits on custodial accounts, so you can put in as much as you want. Okay, so now that we know why custodial accounts are beneficial, let's talk about how to start one. Step 1. Choose a custodial account provider. You'll want to pick a financial institution that offers custodial accounts, like a bank or brokerage firm. Many of the major banks and online investment platforms offer them, such as Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or even some robo-advisors. Step 2. Gather necessary information. You'll need the child's social security number, date of birth, and some personal info for both you and the child. It's pretty simple. Step 3. Decide how to fund the account. You can make one-time deposits or set up automatic transfers. It's up to you how much you want to contribute. Step 4. Choose the investments. If you're opening an investment custodial account, think about what you want to invest in. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs. These all have different risk levels, so choose wisely depending on how long you want the account to grow. Step 5. Manage the account. While your child is a minor, you'll be the one to make decisions. But once they reach adulthood, the account becomes theirs to control. And that's it. Setting up a custodial account is a great way to set your kids up for financial success.